Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your Etisalat account and ensuring it's active. Log into the app or My Etisalat portal. Once logged in, check your data balance, expiry date, and any running add-ons so you know what you have. Next, pick a plan or bundle that fits immediate usage, 1 GB for light use or 510 GB for heavier browsing. Make sure to note auto-renew settings. This first step prevents surprises and lets you act on real balances instead of guesses. Once done with setup, manage consumption and buy additional data when needed. Open the Etisalat app, browse bundles, and purchase daily, weekly, or monthly add-ons instantly. Confirm payment via wallet, card, or credit. Make sure to enable Data Saver, restrict background apps, and set per-app limits on your device to extend allowances. Also, monitor usage through the app's widgets and hourly logs, so you can see which apps consume most data and adjust settings accordingly. To finish, verify auto-renew and SIM data settings, then restart your device so new bundles register properly. If data does not appear immediately, check your purchase receipt and the app transaction history. Clear the app cache and reapply the bundle if possible. If problems persist, contact Etisalat support with transaction ID. As a precaution, maintain a small emergency bundle, 100 MB or 1 GB, for sudden needs, and make sure roaming settings are correct before traveling to avoid unexpected charges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.